Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mindful Eating. Today I am making a healthy, guilt-free biryani. Yes, you heard it right, guilt-free. You might have noticed that after eating biryani, instead of feeling energetic and active, we feel more drowsy and lazy. This is all because of lot of oil and simple carbs in it. So let's see how to make a biryani which is gentle on our stomach yet very tasty. For this, I have taken 2 cups of brown rice. Brown rice are having complex carbs as compared to white rice. Brown rice have fibrous bran in it, which is the most nutritious part of the rice, whereas white rice has bran removed. Now wash and soak this 2 cups of rice for at least 30 minutes. In a wide, thick-bottomed saucepan, I have added 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. To this goes 2 chopped onions. Add required amount of salt to this. This helps the onion to get translucent faster. To this, add 5 or 6 green chili paste and 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now to this, half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Saute this until the raw smell goes off and then add 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder. This is homemade garam masala. You can use store-bought garam masala as well. To this, add 2 chopped tomatoes, a handful of coriander and mint leaves. Now when the tomatoes get soft and mushy, you can add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then goes 3 tablespoons of curd. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Then to this masala I have added 800 gram of washed and lined chicken. Coat the chicken well with this masala and let it cook on medium flame for around 15 to 20 minutes or till it's 80% cooked. Now in another saucepan, I have added only 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to just dry roast this whole spices. That's 2 bay leaves, few cinnamon sticks, 5 cardamom. Then add 5 to 6 cups of water to this and bring it to boil. You can add required amount of salt and then add the soaked brown rice to this and cook the rice until it's 80% done. A pinch of saffron and a tablespoon of lemon juice optional. Here, unlike white rice, brown rice tends to split ends and might not be as appealing as white rice but is nutritious though. Now layer this rice on the chicken masala which is 80% cooked. Now for garnishing, take another pan, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 2 tablespoons of desi ghee to it. At least 1 tablespoon of desi ghee is recommended in daily diets, so this much is just fine. Now add thinly sliced onions to this for frying. Fry until golden brown and keep this aside. Same pan, add few cashews and raisins in the leftover ghee. Once these are golden brown, keep them aside. Now you can see only 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee is left over, which we can pour on top of the rice to garnish. We can spread this fried onions, cashews, raisins, leftover ghee and also sprinkle some chopped coriander over the rice. Now we have to slow cook this on very low flame so that the flavors infuses well into the rice. For this I covered the saucepan with an aluminium foil so all the steam is well trapped inside and the flavors infuses well. Now keep this for around 15 to 20 minutes on very low heat. Wow, there your guilt-free, healthy chicken brown rice biryani is ready to serve. If you like such recipes, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you for watching.